David, can you share with the viewers what IPA Centers of Excellence are?
I'd be happy to. They are very critical, strategically located cities and centers, and I'll talk about them in just a second. But more importantly is the leadership that represents those centers. So part of our organizational structure and part of what we wanted to do was to make sure that as we were building our culture organically and as we were spreading out across the country and serving more and more people, whether those are IPA family members or marketplace consumers, that we could extend those cultures across the country to, from our headquarters in Tampa to Orlando to Atlanta to Raleigh to Chicago to Dallas, Denver, Phoenix, and many other places, and make sure that that culture of that entrepreneurial spirit of serving others with passion didn't get broken down, didn't get watered down along the way. So we have great men and women that lead these centers of excellence across the country. And what the role, one of the many roles is to make sure that culture stays intact and it permeates and it grows and it fosters and it nurtures in their local locations. Again, going back to the point that was made a little bit earlier, so that that real focus of serving our primary customer and their family never, ever gets overlooked. And whether it's from training or whether it's from leadership development, whatever the specifics may be, is that we're pouring into those individuals in those different communities across the country, and then that allows to transfer and translate out to the other marketplaces. So a great example is we have a Center of Excellence in Dallas, Texas, and it's a great Center of Excellence. Well, we also have a great Center of Excellence that's attached to the Dallas Center of Excellence in Austin. So it's our way of kind of keeping that organic growth intact and making sure that the culture from outside in and inside out always stays connected and always serves the marketplace to the best of its ability through our primary customer for the marketplace primary customer.
Will there be future locations?
There will be future locations, and that's something we're very excited about, whether it's Indianapolis, St. Louis, California. There's so many that we are excited about in the future being able to bring in and have a part of the IPA family team and IPA family culture. But what we will not compromise is that culture. So today, we are positioned to be in business in Indianapolis, Indiana. The smell test for us, or the must-have for us, is that we will not go break ground in some location or some city or some state unless we have the right individual that's attached to that Center of Excellence. So we're very committed to that culture, and we're very committed to that slow, continuous, steady growth. But what we will not do is we will not roll the dice, if that's appropriate, and put somebody in position to say, hey, we have presence in Indianapolis, Indiana, and then we have a culture there that is not consistent with the cultures that have been built currently and that will be built in the future.